Hi guys and girls, how you all doing? Exciting day. I thought I'd share with you an unboxing video of Steve Saxty's brand new book, Secret Fords. Now this arrived a couple of days ago, so I've already opened the box and I've actually taken the book out of the cellophane just to check everything's there. And it is. Now this is available in a collector's edition and also a standard edition. I think in the standard edition you just receive the book. This is a collector's edition. As I say, I've already taken it out the cellophane, but feast your eyes on this. Just pop the box out of the way. It's here! Now this is a weighty book, and I love a weighty book. In my eyes, a weighty book is a quality book. As I say, this is a collector's edition. With it, you get a couple of posters, which you can stick in your garage, man cave or lounge, wherever you choose. But look at this. It comes in its own hard, glossy covered slipcase. And there's even a scrapbook in there as well. So he's actually completed the book, but then he's had more content. And so he's made a little scrapbook with some extra material. Oh, this box is such a good fit. It's like I don't want to take the book out, it fits so well. Let's have a look, shall we? Wow. There we go. You might recognise one or two of those. Similar to an XR4i, RS2000 Fiesta. Looks like a sort of proto Escort RS1700 or something like that. But look at this. Do you recognise any of these? Nah, of course you don't. They were never made. They were designed. The concept was there, but they were never made. I believe in the collector's edition, Steve Saxty, the author, has actually signed the book, so we'll probably find a signature on the first couple of pages. I'm just going to start going through some of these. Oh, it's that fresh print smell as well. Fantastic. This is so exciting. There's a foreword in there. So just flicking through. I mean, the quality of the pages, they're all a gloss page. Heavyweight paper, which sort of really adds to the weight of the book. Initially, some cars that you might sort of recognise as your Capri 2.8 injection, there's an Escort down here, XR4i and that sort of thing. But as you go through, there's cars like this one here. Never seen this before, it's a GT70. Oh man, awesome. Oh, the quality of the photographs are just fantastic as well. Look at this, GT70 again in silver. Oh man, I'm so looking forward to doing a full review of this book, which I will be doing shortly, and that will be appearing in the next issue of Rally News. So keep your eyes out. Keep your eyes out for that. That should be out in January or February, I believe. But there's cars in here like this one here. It's called a Brenda. It's a Ford Brenda. Now, whether or not that went on to be the Ford Escort, I don't know. Oh, this just looks fantastic. Have a German Capri. So you can see side on, you have got those Capri lines, but the rear looks completely different. Oh, this is just superb. I mean, look at this. I mean, some of the cars, I mean, we all know our Fords, or we think we know our Fords, sort of dating from, you know, the early Cortinas, the Escorts, the Granadas, Fiestas, through to the latest Sierras, Mondeos, and that sort of thing. We don't know the half of it. I mean, look at this. This is a Bobcat. I mean, the rear end, it's almost sort of Citroen-esque, if you like. Oh. Looking at this, I mean, the time that Steve has spent researching and compiling this book, he's really nailed it. He's pulled this off, and the end result is nothing short of fantastic. So the beginnings of a Fiesta here. All the prototypes and that sort of thing. It's a two-door Granada, sort of very BMW-ish. There's a good mixture of photographs of the cars which were actually built, and drawings as well of the cars which never were built at all. They were merely concepts on paper. There's a concept for the Ford Capri. Look at this, it's almost looks like a DeLorean with a sort of Sierra front end. But again, there's those familiar Ford Granada wheels. Oh, XR4i concepts. Wow. Sort of getting onto the Mark III Ford Escort shape, which we all know and love, with the RS turbos and the RS1600Is. This is just fantastic, seeing cars that you never knew were in development. Look at this, this is an Escort Capri camback. Again, it's very Citroen-esque with XR3i wheels. Amazing. Oh, I really cannot wait to get stuck into this book and do a full review. As I say, that should be printed in the next issue of Rally News. So do keep a lookout for that. Awesome. Christmas presents, folks. If you're struggling for Christmas presents, order your petrol head lover one of these. As I say, standard edition or collector's edition, available from either stevesaxty.com or indeed the RS Owners Club online shop. Keep your eyes peeled for the full review in Rally News. I'm going to pop that back in the box. If I can get it in. As I say, this box is such a good fit. This would just look fantastic on your shelf. Look at that. Steve, what a fantastic job. So looking forward to doing a full review. Hope you like the review, and we shall see you later.